Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 10, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Column G, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come 3 cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in, the cell 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row, 7th row, we have 7. Column B also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, 6th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 4. Column J also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 4 and 9. Then 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, column G, we have 9. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 4th row, we have 4. Column F also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 6th grade and 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 5. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 4. 10th row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 2. 10th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 8th row, 10th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column J, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, 6 will come in another cells, we will confirm later. Column I, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 1, 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 5th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 5th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 5th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. The 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 3rd row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 3rd row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 4th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column B, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 10th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.